ScreenPal has made it easy to back up your recordings online so you can save disk space and access your recordings from multiple computers. You can back up selected recordings or choose to automatically back up multiple recordings. To back up an individual recording, click on a recording. If the recording is not backed up, then you'll see this icon. Click on the drop-down and then click Add Backup to add this recording to your secure online backup. ScreenPal will begin uploading your recording to your secure backup. You can click this button to continue the backup process in the background. Backup is enabled when you see a green check mark. You can also select individual recordings to back up from the project manager. To enable backup on selected recordings, click on Manage Video Projects. Select the recordings you would like to add to your secure backup. The videos you have selected will be highlighted. Click Add next to the cloud icon. A notification window will appear asking if you want to add your videos to your secure online storage. Click OK to proceed. A cloud icon will appear on the recording thumbnail, indicating that it is saved and backed up to your online storage. If you notice a folder icon, that means the video is also saved locally on your computer. Once the recording is completely backed up, you have the option to delete it from your computer. You can restore the recording on multiple devices when logged in with your account. Any edits you make to a backed up recording will automatically sync to your online backup and be available on other computers where you've restored the same recording. You can also automatically back up all of your recordings from a designated folder. Make sure you turn on Auto Backup at the top of your project manager. You can also disable Auto Backup by clicking here. You can still add individual recordings to your online storage. You are now ready to access your recordings from multiple devices. Once you're on another computer, you can restore your backed up videos. Head to your project manager to view your list of recordings and videos. To restore a video from your online storage, click on the thumbnail. A notification will appear showing you that the video is being downloaded from your secure online storage. This arrow will display the restore status of your recordings on your computer. Once the recording is completely restored, you can edit and publish as usual. Any edits you make to a restored recording will automatically sync to your online backup and be available on other computers where you've restored the same recording. Easily work anywhere and save disk space with backup and restore.